Namaste, beautiful people. Today I'll be sharing some outfits for different occasions. So let's get started. So here's the first outfit, a semi-formal office party look. So we have paired it up with a mini skirt and a printed chain top. This is like really very trendy. I've paired them up with my chunky golden belt, boots and coat. You can also pair it up with black coat if you want to. You can also pair the same outfit for an interview if you want to look very classy carrying a bag. And here's the second outfit if you are going for a family get together and you want to give a touch of a traditional wear. This is the perfect one. I've paired it up with the khaki loose pants and I've paired them up with my crop top, and now I'm just taking my mama's dupatta. So it is a golden and black dupatta. It's a printed dupatta. This is looking so beautiful. I've also paired it up with a plain golden chain, and now I'm going to pair them up with my black heels. If you want, you can also wear sandals, and I really love the whole look of this outfit. This is like a perfect family get together outfit. This outfit is for a birthday party look. If you're going out for your friend's birthday and you want to look very classy, and this is like the perfect outfit. This is a hoodie dress. It's a silver hoodie dress, but it's looking so amazing. You can also tone this outfit in a short dress. So this is the hack which I'm going to share it with you all. Just take a belt and then you have to do it like this, and now you see you can convert your long dress into a short one. So this is like a perfect party wear occasion outfit. You can also pair it up for any other party. This is like a perfect shimmery dress. It also has a hoodie, and I feel instead of the heels I'll pair them up with my ankle length boots. So we have two options. I have the silver ankle length boots and the plain black one. I'm going to pair them up with my plain black ankle length boots. You can also pair them up with black sneakers if you want to. This is looking just so amazing. Let's try on the hoodie. This is a hoodie dress. It's looking so cute. Do let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying this video, and press that subscribe button. This outfit is for hanging out with friends. You want to give a casual outfit a classy touch, then you can do it something like this. I've paired them up with my loose baggy pants, and I've just paired it up with the golden touch of crop top. It is looking so amazing, and my Persian blue velvet jacket and my ankle length boots. This looks amazing. Here we go. Here's a girl's night out outfit. This is a tube dress. If you're not comfortable in tube, you can do it something like this. I've just paired a turtleneck inside my tube dress, and I've paired it up with my ankle length boots. Here we go. If you want to know how to wear one dress in different outfits, there'll be a link popping up on your screen. Click on that link.
If you have enjoyed watching this video and it has been of any use, please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified, because this year I'm dedicated to make daily videos. For now, bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.